If you want your portraits to be really naturally creamy and, if you're particular about the separation of the background and the subject, this will really make your portrait stand out. It's called the 100 STF 2.8. So it's currently my favorite portrait lens. It's actually really known for the best bokeh. So it really makes your subject creamy and stand out from the background. If you're a bokeh fanatic, then you have to get one of these lenses. It's a 2.8, however, when you photograph at 2.8, it shoots at 5.6. So if you look over here, it says 5.6. Why is that so? Well, there's a density filter inside that creates the most beautiful bokeh, perfectly round shapes. My name is Pilar Trigo Bonnin, and I'm a portrait photographer.